Take a look what we ordered from Amazon. It's a Doppler. We're gonna see if we can hear our baby's heartbeat. Won't let this moment pass us.
Good morning guys and happy Friday. I really wish it was the weekend today, but oh hang on, let me turn the radio off. I really wish it was the weekend this morning. I had a super late night last night and I am still exhausted, but it's really late and I really need to go to work, so I'm gonna make this quick. Chris is still in bed. He had an even later night than me, but he has no excuse. He shouldn't have been watching TV. That was one incredibly short day. I cannot believe Chris did not do any vlogging at all. He's just like left you hanging all day. It's about 6 o'clock and I'm going out to get us some dinner. It is absolutely freezing at the moment. Oh, it's so cold. I've got my scarf bundled up, but I really think I need a thicker coat. This just isn't working. In and out. We're done. We can go home so Chris can make me dinner. And tonight's dinner is a chicken burner curry.
I've been so busy with work today. I asked Jen when she got home to do some vlogging, but I don't think she has. She said she did a little bit, but every time I keep asking if she's done anything, she's like, no. So today's video may be very short. Anyway, we've been tidying the house a bit. One of my brothers is coming tomorrow with his girlfriend, and he's going to be staying over, so we've just been tidying the house somewhat. Shh, stop making noises, phone. We've tidying the house somewhat, and it doesn't look any better yet, really. It doesn't look any better. A little bit, but it needs a vacuum. But it's getting quite late now, really shouldn't be vacuuming. Oh my god, it's nearly 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, Friday. You know what that means? The very last episode of American Horror. Well, of the season anyway. Take a look what we ordered from Amazon. It's a Doppler. We're gonna see if we can hear our baby's heartbeat. That's just crazy. There's no promises. We might not be able to find it, but if we can, that would be amazing. Are you ready? Yeah. We've been waiting to do this for ages. You ready? You ready? You ready? You hold on to that. Okay. Get the stuff we need. We need some gel stuff. And we need some things to clean it up with. Jen will appreciate that, I think. Are you ready? Yes. Are you excited? Yes. Shep, you need to go upstairs because she's getting in the way. Go on. Aww. Go upstairs, mate. Good boy. Right. Okay. Lie down. Lie down. How are we going to do this?
Don't fall on me.
Okay.
I need some tissue.
You need some tissue. Here's
it's so cold.
There's some tissue. Beep, 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 beep. Oh.
Whoa, you can hear it already.
That's me. Heartbeat. Done.
I'm ready.
Okay. Oh, your bump.
I know. I can't believe I'm lying on my back and you can still see it.
Oh, hey babe.
Your hands are really cold. Stop it.
Right. Some of this stuff, I think. How much do you need? Like a tablespoon? A teaspoon?
No, not very much.
Shall we start in the middle?
Yeah.
This is difficult to get this on camera while I'm actually doing it. This foot. Oh, is that enough?
Yeah, I think that's plenty.
Okay. Right. I think you hold the non-microphone bit. Oops.
Oops, you have to hold that bit.
Can I feel your heartbeat? Oh, no. No. Okay, right.
I don't have a heartbeat apparently.
Let's see if I can do this. Think that might be it?
Definitely.
How do you know it's not just your heartbeat?
How fast is it?
Stop moving! This is really difficult. I need to switch hands. Oh, hold on. Because that's quite slow, that.
Yeah, that's gonna be. And that's not as loud.
That's gotta be it.
That's definitely it.
You moved! That's gotta be it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
What is it? 159.
Every time you tense your muscles, it goes away. I can't get it. You broke it. You keep talking, you keep moving. That's crazy. That is awesome, though. I've got stuff all on my hands.
It gets everywhere.
Wipe my hand, please.
Why did you put your hand in it?
Do it on purpose. That is absolutely amazing. That is so creepy. And I hope that was a heartbeat. It sounded like a heartbeat.
It sounded like a heartbeat.
There was a lot of noises in there. There was a lot of whooshing. But yeah, it was hard to find, but we got there. It's so exciting. Get to hear the heartbeat whenever we want as well. That's always dangerous. You've got to be careful. If you're watching this video and you can't find a heartbeat, it doesn't mean it's not there. And don't, just because you think you can hear a heartbeat, it might not be the heartbeat. So we might not have heard the heartbeat. If you can correct us and tell us either way,
Yeah.
let us know in the comments below. But we're pretty sure that's a heartbeat. It sounds like a heartbeat. It sounds fast enough to not be Jen's heartbeat. Anyway, it's Shep then. But that is so crazy. That is amazing. I'm so happy.
Am I allowed to be happy now? I'm allowed to laugh and move and stuff?
Yeah, you're not going to break me trying to find it.
I just find it so amazing that you can do that sort of stuff at home. Like, it's just a little tiny piece of equipment. It was really cheap online. We assume it works. It seems to work. And you can kind of like do whatever you want. Like, within reason, as long as you're sensible about it. It's so exciting. Love it. We have just finished watching the last episode in the series of American Horror Story. One or two bits that made me jump a little, but not like earlier on in the season. The earlier ones were terrifying. I feel like now I could quite happily go to bed and I would probably be okay. It was a really strange end to the series though. I kind of feel like it's not finished. But it's 10 episodes in. I'm sure it was only supposed to be 10 episodes long, so I think it's finished. I just don't really feel like it's ended. Like, I just want it to keep going and tell me more. I feel like there's loads of unanswered stories going on. But I wonder what they'll do next year. They could do anything. So far we've had a haunted house, or 2 haunted houses. We've had a coven, we've had a circus, we've had... what else do we have? The asylum. Who knows what next year will bring.
Children in Need is on tonight, and as much as I understand that it's for a good cause, when you're expecting a baby, Children in Need is probably the very last show you want to be watching. It is heartbreaking, it is horrible, and it reminds you how fragile children are. Fragile people are, but children, no, their mortality is the last thing you want to be thinking of. When you're pregnant, why is it on, Jen? Why is it on? I have to turn it off. I can't deal with it anymore. It's too emotional. It's gotta go. It's 1:15. Look what I just found up still.
I'm still up.
What are you doing up?
I had a shower.
Oh.
And I'm clean. Now I can go to bed.
Are you not tired?
Yes.
Surprised you didn't fall asleep in the shower.
No, it was really good. I stayed awake the whole time.
You're good, let's hope so. Well, as it is so late, it's time to go to bed. So thanks for watching. Give us a big old thumbs up and I will see you guys tomorrow. Look who I picked up.
Hi.
You have a good night.
I did. It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You tired?
Yeah.
Can imagine.
Really tired.
For someone that goes to bed at like 9:30, 10 o'clock.
No, it's so late.